Hey guys, the brackets were a little too small for the for this piece of oak. I'm gonna polyurethane that tonight here in the house. I'm gonna put plastic down, all that stuff. But they were a little too small, so I have to restart a new print or two new brackets. But they're literally like, well, you can see how big they are. They're freaking huge. The build plate is 13 inches wide, and it's 13 by 13 by 15 inches high that you can print. So you can look 8 inches wide by 9 inches, 8 inches this way, 9 inches that way. Same thing with that one. Because our board, the width of our board is 11, so these will work just fine.